A complete winter maintenance plan gives us the confidence to know what we're doing works. But even the best laid plans can fail if you don't consider your team. So whether your team is a contracted service or your staff, what can you do to set them up for success? Start with training. Training provides your team with the know-how to maintain safety no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. Whether it's too cold for salt to work, freezing rain, or something in between, salt should never be your first line of defense. It's not one solution fits all. Learning to match weather forecasts with winter maintenance strategies for short and medium-term planning is important. But even with the training, what if there's a slip and fall claim? Good record keeping helps prove you've taken reasonable steps to protect everyone on your property. With training, you and your team will be prepared for these moments. And if you contract out your winter maintenance, make sure your agreement reflects your expectations. This should include salt management training for everyone doing the work, access to maintenance records so you know the work is done according to your contract. You'll also need access to these records in case of a slip and fall claim. And specify your contractor charges for salt by unit price per event or lump sum per season to ensure both a practical and economic use of salt. When we follow a complete winter maintenance plan that includes the entire team, we'll be ready for whatever comes our way. This includes the right winter maintenance training. Not sure if your team has the right training? Visit the Region of Waterloo website.